Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 4, Week 4, Day 4. Our topic for today is weather changes within a day. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here are the bases of our lesson: content standards, performance standards, learning competencies, learning objectives, activating prior knowledge. Good morning, class. Put on your thinking caps and get ready to explore. Today, we're going to observe, experiment, and discover how the world works. For our review, fill in the blank with the following words: cloudy, stormy, and windy. Number 1. When the sky is covered in gray or white shapes and you can see the sun, it is blank. Number 2. It is hard to hold an umbrella straight when the weather is very blank. And number 3. You should stay indoors and away from windows if the weather is blank. Here are the correct answers for number 1, cloudy, number 2, windy, and number 3, stormy. For our motivations, to show how fast weather changes, have everyone stand up and be the weather. Morning, everyone stand still and shine like the sun. Sudden change, everyone starts waving their arms like a windy storm. Afternoon, everyone sits down quietly like a cloudy afternoon. Do it 2 times. Lesson purpose intention. In this lesson, you will record and describe the changes in the weather within a day. Lesson language practice. What does record mean? To record, pronounced as record, means to write down or draw what you see so you don't forget it. Think of it like being a scientist or a reporter. If you see it rain at 10 a.m., you record it by putting a raindrop symbol on your calendar. Why do we record the weather? To see pattern. If we record that it's sunny every Monday for a month, we found a pattern. To compare, we can look at what we recorded yesterday and see if today is hotter or colder. To share, you can show your records to someone else so they know what the weather was like at your house. Reading the key idea stem. How did the weather change yesterday? Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Activity 2. Recording the weather. Record each weather that you will observe. Here is the weather at 8 a.m. in the morning. Here is the weather at 12 p.m. Here is the weather at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Here is the weather at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Weather change analysis. How did the temperature change from morning through midday to afternoon? The temperature started out cool and damp in the morning because it was raining. At midday, when the sun came out, it likely became much warmer. By the afternoon, as the wind picked up and clouds covered the sun again, the temperature probably started to cool down again. The summary, it went from cool to hot or warm to cooler. How did the sky condition change from morning through midday to afternoon? The sky changed several times. Morning, the sky was dark and gray with falling rain. Midday, the clouds cleared away, leaving a bright blue sky with the sun shining. In the afternoon, the sky stayed bright, but the air started moving fast or become windy, and finally, gray or white clouds moved back in to cover the sun. Deepening understanding of the key ideas STEM. Read each item carefully and choose the best answer. In the video, it was raining at 8 a.m. but sunny at 12 p.m. What most likely happened to the rain clouds? A. They turned into the sun. B. The wind blew them away to another places. Or C. They stayed in the same spot but became visible. Number 2. Why does the temperature usually get hotter at 12 p.m. or midday than it is 8 a.m.? A. Because the sun is higher in the sky and shining directly on us. B. Because the rain makes the sun grow bigger. C. Because there are more trees outside at noon. Number 3. If the weather is cloudy at 3 p.m., does automatically means it is raining? A. Yes. Clouds always drop rain immediately. B. No. Clouds are just water vapor gathered together. It might rain later or not at all. Predict the change. Number 4. Look at the patterns from the video. 8 a.m. rainy, 12 p.m. sunny, 2 p.m. windy, and 3 p.m. cloudy. Number 5. Based on the video, which time of the day would be the best time to hang wet clothes outside to dry, and why? Here are the key answers. Making generalization. Good day, grade 3 learner. The temperature rises from morning to early afternoon. Then the temperature falls from early afternoon towards the evening. The sky condition may also change. Evaluating learning. Choose the letter of the best answer. When the sun is shining brightly and there are no clouds in the sky, what type of weather it is? A. Rainy, B. Sunny, C. Windy, or D. Cloudy. The Correct answer is letter B. If the sky is gray and water droplets are falling from the clouds, what kind of weather it is? A. Rainy, B. Sunny, C. Windy, or D. Cloudy? The correct answer is letter A. For number 3, in the morning, the weather was sunny. In the afternoon, dark clouds appeared, and the wind blew strongly. Which sentence is true? A. The weather became rainy. B. The weather became sunny. C. The weather became windy. Or D. The weather stayed the same. The answer is letter C. Good job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Thank you. The